In today's video, we'll go over all the qualities and features of the all-new 2024 Toyota Tundra.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome once again to Sim Action Auto Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification, like, share and also, comment down below. The redesigned 2024 Toyota Tundra, introduced for the 2022 model year, continues its unique approach to the full-size pickup market. Since its debut in 2000, the Tundra has aimed to challenge the segment leaders with its distinct take on the half-ton pickup formula. Unlike traditional offerings, the 2024 Tundra no longer offers a V8 engine option, replacing it with a twin-turbocharged V6 available in 2 power levels and a V6 hybrid variant. Additionally, it lacks a full-time 4-wheel drive option. However, the Tundra maintains some traditional truck characteristics, such as offering extended or crew cab body styles and bed lengths of 5.5, 6.5, or 8.1 feet. There are 7 trim levels, ranging from the base SR to the top-tier capstone. Notably, the Tundra employs a coil spring rear suspension, similar to the Ram 1500, which enhances ride comfort but may affect payload capacity. Its maximum towing capacity is 12,000 pounds, suitable for most users, though it falls behind competitors like the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, Ford F-150, and Ram 1500 in tow ratings. For 2024, the Tundra sees some cosmetic and package updates. The TRD Off-Road package is now available on the Platinum grade, featuring various black accents. The Nightshade package is offered on the Limited grade, and a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel becomes standard on the Limited. The head-up display is now available as a standalone option, previously bundled with the load-leveling air suspension on certain trims. Additionally, a factory 3-inch lift kit is available on most models, excluding the TRD Pro, which has its own suspension setup. The base 2024 SR Tundra comes with the 348 horsepower twin-turbo V6 and offers extended or crew cab options. However, it lacks advanced features, with manually adjusted seats, steel wheels, and limited driver aids. The SR5 model addresses these shortcomings, increasing horsepower to 389 and torque to 479 pound-feet. The TRD Off-Road package adds off-road capabilities. The 2024 Tundra offers 3 power levels, all based on a turbocharged 3.4-liter V6, with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Limited model equipped with the 389 horsepower V6 achieves a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.1 seconds. It features coil spring rear suspension for a smoother daily ride. The TRD Off-Road variant enhances off-road performance with specialized components. In terms of towing and payload, the Tundra is competitive but not class-leading. Its 12,000-pound maximum tow rating falls behind rivals like the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado. Fuel efficiency is decent, with the 2-wheel drive model achieving up to 20 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, slightly lower for 4-wheel drive. However, real-world testing showed lower figures. The interior of the Tundra offers improved material quality and design compared to its predecessor. It features a robust dashboard with prominent air vents and a center section connecting the door panels. Higher trims offer premium materials, such as semi-aniline leather upholstery and American walnut interior trim. There's ample storage, and various cab and bed configurations are available. Infotainment ranges from an 8.0-inch touchscreen to a large 14-inch screen, offering clear graphics and standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Tundra includes Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, a suite of driver assistance technologies, and higher trims add blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. Toyota provides competitive warranties, and the Tundra benefits from complimentary scheduled maintenance, setting it apart in the market. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this? Thank you.